Ever dreamt of a bank account designed just for your business? No more confusing personal and professional finances, just streamlined tools to help your company thrive? Well, if you're a UK-based entrepreneur, you might have stumbled upon Tide and ClearBank. But are they the same, or are they two sides of the coin? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of business banking and understanding the fascinating relationship between Tide and ClearBank. Imagine this: you're swamped with invoices, chasing leads, and juggling a million tasks to get your business off the ground. The last thing you want is a complicated bank account adding to the chaos. That's where Tide comes in. They brand themselves as a business financial platform, offering a user-friendly online interface specifically designed for small and medium enterprises, SMEs. It's all about simplifying your financial life, with features like integrated accounting tools, expense tracking, and easy tax calculations. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But here's the twist: Tide itself isn't actually a bank. They don't hold your hard-earned cash. Instead, they partner with a licensed bank, and that's where ClearBank enters the picture. ClearBank is a new breed of bank, a so-called clearing bank. They focus solely on providing the infrastructure behind the scenes, processing payments, holding client funds securely, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Think of them as the silent backbone, making sure your money is safe and sound. So, Tide offers the user-friendly front-end experience, while ClearBank handles the crucial banking functions. It's a powerful collaboration, allowing Tide to focus on innovation and a seamless customer experience, while ClearBank takes care of the regulated, behind-the-scenes magic. Here's why this partnership might be a win for you. Faster and easier setup. Compared to traditional banks, opening a Tide account can be a breeze. Their online application process is designed for speed and convenience, freeing you up to focus on what matters: growing your business. Features tailored for businesses. No more wading through personal banking features you don't need. Tide's platform is packed with tools specifically designed for entrepreneurs, like expense categorization, simplified tax calculations, and integrations with popular accounting software. Security and peace of mind. Remember, even though you interact with Tide, your money sits safely in accounts held by ClearBank. This licensed bank is authorized and regulated by the UK financial authorities, ensuring your funds are protected under government-backed schemes. Of course, there are always other options out there. Traditional high street banks offer business accounts, but they might not have the same level of user-friendliness or integration with business tools. Additionally, some challenger banks might offer similar features, but it's important to verify their regulatory status and ensure they align with your specific business needs. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities. If you crave a user-friendly, feature-rich platform designed for entrepreneurs and prioritize a streamlined experience, Tide could be a great option. But remember, it's ClearBank that holds your money securely. So, are Tide and ClearBank the same? Not quite. They're two sides of the same coin, working together to offer a unique and potentially valuable solution for UK-based SMEs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.